the upcoming week's carry options, and a pumpkin spice mocha. I've got BB mini Praxis I normally carry. It will work in the pouch, the regular size Praxis. It's a little big. Same goes for the Buck Onset 040. And notice I'm using the same pouch for that, the Hide and Drink, a little bit more pliable carry pouch. It can handle the larger folders. But what's kind of cool, like every now and then I get out a Sodbuster Jr. to carry during the day. It fits in, slips in a little bit loose. It's a little more suited for the Easy Ant pouches. But that's still cool. Sodbuster Jr., I'm thankful to Big Jim at Barlow Brigade for gifting me this customized Sodbuster Jr. spear point blade with a half stop. Great EDC knife. Glad to take it around every couple of weeks. Actually, it hadn't been that often, but I do take it around. And a regular list of suspects. Yep. Mixing it up with a pumpkin spice mocha for the morning. There's a little eggnog in there too. Cream, chocolate. It's real high calorie. Good day. Thank you for watching Knife Nuts. God bless you. Remember that Jesus Christ loves you.